Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact support on Revolut application. First of all, subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now when you open up your Revolut application, you're going to be redirected to this page, homepage, and you want to click on your profile picture right there at the top left corner. After this, you're going to be redirected here and you want to click on help. Where you want to find help, of course. Now, how can we help? You want to choose what is your issue. So it's either cards, payments, account, security. So for example, I'm just going to choose profile and plan. And then I will be redirected to this help page. And for example, I'm just going to click help logging in. So for example, I have this issue. After this, I'm just gonna click I cannot log in, for example, and after that, you will be redirected to something similar of this, and you may want to read this. I forgot my passcode and so on. And if you cannot find the solution right here, you're just gonna scroll down until you see chat with us, where I need more help. And when you click chat with us, you can type a message for them and chat with their assistant. So yeah, guys, that's basically it, how you contact Revolut support. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.